is actually screwed from the top down.
Yeah, I noticed. We're just gonna have to break that off. Oh yeah, that's cracked good. I can feel it moving.
So we're just changing.
We're just gonna. This is held on by silicone, and I have a little method to.
Yeah, we gotta take out the P-trap probably, right?
Yeah, I can take it off. We just got to get the silicone off and the whole thing here. Oh. Yeah. Got it. Oh. That's the sink. So here's the one we got from Home Depot, and it's just, it's not it. It's just not, it's not the right size. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to take this back, bro. I think that's all for today. I'm gonna have to find one of these somewhere else.
Can you hold it?
Okay, so the tenants bought this. This is a new sink. It's a 20 by 14. This is 11 3/4 by 18. This is the closest we could find to fit this. I actually couldn't find it. The tenant found it because I looked everywhere. So there's going to be overlap on... There's going to be overlap, but it is what it is. Or maybe not, I don't know. Maybe this will fit. This actually might fit, dude. Wait. He told me, I have the texts, and he told me it was 20 by 14. But this is 17 and 7/8 by 11 and 5, so it'll for sure fit. Let's try it. You gotta be kidding me. All right, let me get all this crap out of here. All right, here we go. It's too. No, look at that. No, that's good. Yeah. Good enough for this neighborhood. I mean, no, that's perfect. All right. Well, there you go. Okay, we just put a bead around. Now we're gonna do the trick here. You know what, bro? I might have to cut this. There you go. We could have cut that all thread a little bit, but that'll hold this in place overnight. And almost doesn't look like, depending on how you stand. But I mean, the gap on both sides here is about the same. Just eyeballing it. Looks good enough. Okay. Got that pretty centered, I would say. It feels like, I mean, I'm trying to make it even on all the sides. That's about as good as it's gonna get. The overflow doesn't even look like it lines up with this. So, all right, it's Monday, and it's time to remove this. There you have it. That sucker is on there. Now I have this piece of wood. If you're worried about it, you can put some wood underneath along the sides, but in all honesty, I'm not really concerned about it, but I might still, we'll see. Okay, I got, this is all they had, a black one, so it is what it is. We're gonna go with the old clicker drain. Hopefully, I think we'll be able to just rotate this P-trap. Take that out. I think that'll line up. Hopefully. But if not, I can fix that, no problem. Alright, so this is a Kohler click drain, my favorite. This is the nut. So what you want to do is a little bit of putty. You don't need a whole lot for this, because you don't want to block off this little overflow. So just put a little putty around like so. Just drop it in. Drop that sucker in and look at that. Looks like it is going to line up nicely. Look at that. Nice. So let's just get that out of the way for the time being. So now the next thing. This is how I do it. I get some pipe dope, and I like to really get this whole area full of pipe dope. These threads. And you put this guy on with the bevel side facing up. And then just thread it on. And then when it gets to there, a little more pipe dope on the little nut. Get it all in there. You gotta get these pretty tight. Sometimes hand tight is not enough. Just FYI. Sometimes you gotta put some channies on that. There you go. I think that should be okay. We will test it to find out. Can't remember if there's water in this P-trap. Okay, so you got that on there. Now, is there water in this P-trizzle? I don't recall. Take the nut. Put that on. No water. And then reinstall the P-trap. Why is that so? Pull the nut down. I don't know why I thought this wasn't going to line up. I woke up in the middle of the night, and for some reason, I was thinking about how I was going to have to rework this whole thing, but nope. Not at all. There you go. Now, just take some channies and I have to do it backwards. That's actually on there. There you go. Fits perfect. Now we can turn the water back on. Let's test for leakies. Oh yeah, you gotta take that. Where is... Yikes. Nothing I can do about that. It doesn't have a aerator. I don't see any leaks. That's horrible. That flow is horrible. I wonder if I can... This is one of those fancy ones. There's no aerator on this one. I don't know what to tell you. There you go. Hey, look at that. That looks better. Flow is still kind of garbage, but whatever. It's a lab, right? Alright, we're going to dump this, make sure nothing's leaking. And then... See, you can put wood right up here if you wanted to. There you go. Kind of draining slow, but do it one more time. But there you go. That's how you do install a new sink basin. Turned out good. Looks lined up nicely. So, alright, later.